We're here today to pick up my new projects. I'm here at Birchdale Golf Course. My next project is going to be this sick little golf cart, and I'm going to do some customizations to it and gift it back to the family as a kind of redemption, because I crashed one quite a few years ago and I've been banned ever since.
Oh, she's ready to go. All ready to get her battery and paint job.
Hoping I can make this thing look pretty, or maybe redeem myself so I can start riding these things again here. Let's see if we can get this thing loaded into the back of my truck. Got ramps. They're kind of bent, but pull this down.
Kind of.
Well, they've had some use. These things are older than me and you, so they're probably older than me and you combined. I'm pulling up my ramps and they're really old. These were my dad's old bike ramps and they're bent, and I'm pretty sure one's been ran over, but I think that they're gonna work for this, and this is all I got, and Graham doesn't have any other ramps either. So we're gonna hope that we can get this golf cart into the back of my truck, but I think it's gonna be a little difficult. These ramps are old, okay? I only have one set of ramps. We can push it up maybe. I don't think we're gonna get it up there, but.
I think we're gonna get it up there. I think it's a little steep. Eh?
Yeah, it's a little steep. Do you think it's gonna, oh my God. He just guns it, and he high centers himself on my tailgate, bends my tailgate, and almost flies out of the golf cart. Graham.
Yes.
Well, maybe just give me a second.
I don't think you can get any more on than that.
That was
Oh, she high center herself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
I'll yell at you when you're close. Scared me a little bit, but all's good. We were able to go in with the tractor and pick the back end up and get the rest of the way in my truck. Well, that was chaotic.
Smooth sailing. Never loaded anything better. Never in my life. Look at that. It's
I didn't think that you were just gonna send it up there.
Oh, it's supposed to look like that. Oh, that's right.
It's good. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe just a little.
Wow.
We'll finesse that in the shop. No big deal. You got straps?
You me.
I forgot straps.
Oh my God.
Thank God he had the tractor. I'm also really surprised it fit in the back of my truck. I thought I was gonna have to bring a trailer here, but I figured might as well try it. You know what they say about Yamaha, right? You and me hauling ass. Picking up as a success. Now I'm just off to my shop to redo this golf cart and do something special to give back to these really great people. Sweet. Didn't even need the ramps. All right. That's pretty sick. Okay, the unloading was way smoother than the loading. Why is there no horn? So tomorrow we'll start working on this, get the new battery fit. There's gonna be some pieces that we have to cut out in order to get this new bigger battery to fit in here. There's probably gonna be some wiring that needs to be replaced. And then I'm gonna start taking all this apart for paint and give it a new custom paint job. And we might put some new hubcaps on it and some other little trinkets just to make it really personalized to the golf course. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we got Graham coming in today to help put this new battery in. And I've just got the new paint for this golf cart, so I'm gonna have him check that out too.
I'm here.
Yeah, glad you found the shop.
Yeah. Oh, that'll look nice.
All right, well, do you wanna open up this battery box and take a look at this new battery? Hopefully today will be a good day. We'll get the new battery in and fix any of the wiring that needs to be done. There's probably gonna be some stuff that we gotta cut out, but I think it's gonna be a good day. Oh, and they sent us stickers. That paint color is gonna match perfectly to their logo. All right, guys, so I just finished unboxing this Vatrer battery. I'm super excited to tell you all the cool features this has. This is a very high-end battery. This is a 48 volt, 105 amp hour battery. It's got the Life PO4 chemistry in it, LCD touchscreen display. That's what this guy is. That is super cool. I've never seen a battery have a touchscreen display. This also has a Bluetooth support on app, so you guys can download the app and have Bluetooth support, check battery percentages and anything else you need. The other cool thing this has is it's encased in this steel shell. It's an IP67 waterproof, dustproof cover. And if you guys want this, you guys can go check out the links below this video and buy your own for your golf cart. It also comes with the smart battery charger in the kit, so it's awesome. You don't have to buy the charger separate. So let's start taking this apart and let's get a closer look at the inside of this battery. All right, we're taking this off. Oh, wow. Also, like on this side where all your ports are for your plugins and stuff, all of this is very clearly labeled, and I like even the on-off button that they got. On-off. Wow. This battery is super fancy. This is probably the nicest battery I've ever even seen. That was super easy to take off. Look at the top of the battery. There's not generally a whole lot of reason that you ever have to take these apart, but more or less curiosity to look at it. All right, so I'm just gonna start taking off this seat here to get it out of the way of the battery. I'm just gonna take these 10 mil bolts out.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
What?
You know it just pulls off, right?
I did not know that.
Oh.
Let me just tighten this bolt back down. Good thing we have Graham, the golf cart advisor here. Okay, now we have full access to this battery. All right, that's out of the way. Unplug that. Okay, that's the old battery charger out. Okay, we're 19.5 by 12.5. All right, we're gonna remove this guy. Okay, now we can try fitting that new battery in. Beauty. We will have to get new battery cables for that. All right, so we're gonna have to stop at the Lorco and grab some longer battery cables, and then we can get this battery finished being hooked up. Oh yeah, these are gonna be long enough. Hell yeah. Then I just take the ends here, give them a little twist. So you got that raw wire sticking out. Then you just feed this to the hole. Now I can see my wire just sticking out the front of that, just barely. Give it a good squish. Pull test. You pull on it so that you know it's not gonna come off, so that's good now. Our new battery cable on top. Okay, and now our other negative cable. All right, feed that back up through there. Oh yeah, look at that. The battery in. Now this is for the display, so we have to figure out the display still and where we're gonna put the battery charger. Beauty. Okay, that's solid in there now. So this battery charger is mounted solid now. We just got 2 self-tappers in there. The battery charger is connected to the battery. Now we just gotta take this end and plug it into this end. But before I do that, I'm just gonna unhook these and wrap them up a little nicer so they're not so ugly-like. All right, now the battery charger is connected and the battery's connected. And then we'll be able to take this guy for a rip. All right. So me and Graham are gonna take this for a test spin and just see how everything works. Graham just pointed out that he got the app on his phone so we can see battery percentage and everything on this thing.
Absolutely. Now we have full battery analytics.
That's pretty fancy compared to the previous setup over there.
Yeah, which was just a battery.
All right, we're gonna take this thing out for a rip. Okay.
We're really cruising now.
Ripping it. Oh God.
Come on, lean, lean, lean.
You have way too much time on one of these. Now we just gotta get going and doing the paint job, and I still gotta make the custom battery mount, but this thing kicks butt.
It does.
You happy?
Yeah, I am. Oh, it's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna have to disassemble some of this. All of the white that you see is gonna be blue, and we've decided to paint the roof white to give it a little bit of contrast. We're gonna mask up anything that we have to mask up, clean it all down, and then start sanding. Yeah. We're just gonna get to cleaning this, and I'm gonna start prepping this for paint with 80 grit on an orbital. All right, so I'm just about to drop off this golf cart here at Birchdale Golf Course, and I'm a little nervous to see if they like the paint and the SS rims and badges that we put on the golf cart. I wanted to give it a little bit of a classic car feel because that's what I do for a living. I know that they're gonna love the battery, but I hope that they like how the cart turned out. but I'm a little nervous, but also excited.
Holy crap.
Oh my God, what'd she do to my cart? Holy cow. Fantastic.
On new rims.
Yeah.
Oh, geez. Look at that thing.
Yeah, and then on the other side, it's got a display screen that shows everything.
I'll be able to drive that up to Salmon Arm and then go golfing.
Yeah.
It's got a 105-hour runtime. I love the battery, the display, the Bluetooth, that Bluetooth to your phone with the app. It's great. It's got lots of runtime.
Nice color. Kind of makes the rest of the fleet look a little bit dull. They're going to be fighting over to rent it out. I might not rent it out.
I'm glad that I got to give back to my community and get my golf cart privileges back and give them this battery and do something a little extra special by painting the golf cart and actually having it match the batteries.
Holy cow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So I think that this was a success and I hope that you guys liked it too.
Thank you, Cassidy.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much.
If you guys want to drive it, I'm sure that he'll let you. He might charge you a bit extra, but come here to Birchdale Golf Course and you can come see my work and drive the cart I built. Does this mean I can drive the golf carts now?
Yes.
Yes! You heard it here first, I can drive the golf carts again. It's on camera, you can't take it back now. This whole video is sponsored to you by Vatrer batteries. They had gifted me this battery and that means that I got to help somebody else out in my community and I got back my golf cart privileges. But I hope you guys like it, and if you want one of these batteries, check the link below my video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, now I'm gonna take this thing for a rip.